It's going to increase the cost significantly. This may allow some federal funds to be used. It's also going to allow us to have work with the city to apply for some grants where we can be financially challenged, or the new term is significantly financially challenged, things that we do not qualify for, but it may allow us some opportunities for some additional funds. So if you have not yet taken this survey, I encourage you to do so. There is a lot of work to be done on this one before we have any definitive answers, but the engineering has already taken place on this one, so it's looking positive. Other thing I wanted to touch on briefly, in light of the county's decision not to fund the remaining $250,000 for the Concaulin River Dredge project, we're going to be segue into some Plan B and Plan C options. We can simply back up the scope of work for the project. Instead of removing the entire old train bridge, maybe just take out that center section, which can still allow for a lot of debris to move through there. Or we can also use some other funding options to try and find elsewhere. County Executive Barsha provided a lot of information that was put together in 2006, when the County Board of Commissioners passed a resolution in support of a conceptual effort where it was actually going to be a watershed alliance that was made up of a few different municipalities and some other stakeholders to pursue finding some other sources. So, this was never put into place. A lot of the initial work was done, but they never got it past the finish line. I'm going to talk with a couple other supervisors and see if there's any traction for revisiting this group. So we have that one. There is a meeting with the Army Corps of Engineers next Thursday with myself, County Executive Barsha, Corporate Counsel, and Trustee Cook. I'll be representing not only Bangor Township, but the Watershed Association. So hopefully some good will come out of this one.